Look at that dressed up bird. That pretty black bird with that orange and yellow on his shoulders. Look what God did. Praise Jesus Christ. And look, again, the bird has no need for toil. He ain't got to go to work.
I don't know if you better hear it sing. This is a song. Pray for these songbirds, people, because I heard on the news last night that our songbirds are getting sick. They're dying. You feel me? And they don't know what this disease is. That's a songbird. Listen to it. And why would they be getting sick, you feel me, when coronavirus is in the air? They live in the trees. This virus has affected the trees.
Mm-hmm.